welcome back. We're here with Paul.
Hey.
And Mitch. And Kat. And here's what we've got so far. Motor is out. The interior is completely stripped. There's a touch more rust than we thought. The bottom of this thing is pretty nasty.
Right.
So today we're going to get the fenders and bumper off, hopefully the subframes off, and we'll pick the car up and start working on cleaning up and repainting the underside. And then we're also going to get the motor stripped down to the block so we can take the block to the machine shop on Monday and get the homework done. So, have we decided on the color scheme yet?
No, but I've decided instant coffee is not good.
Oh, this is interesting.
We replaced that to fix the winding noise, and then the winding noise came back.
Yeah, his pilot bearing fell right out probably
Again.
a week after we put it in. We drove it all summer this way. We thought the transmission had a slight whine.
But I think we were right. It is that.
So,
Just get a better one.
yeah, we gotta find a better pilot bearing for next round. All right, you guys ready to get to work here?
Yeah.
Bumpers off.
Okay.
Four screws that go from the bumper into the radiator side.
It's a push pin, essentially.
Oh. How's that, Mitch? Yep. You ready? Hold it. Look at that. There you go.
Yeah, we're taking the skin off. So what'd you just do, Mitch? What'd you take off here?
Oh, this is the first side, that was right here.
Yeah. Why does it come off?
Because there's no screws.
The one screw left?
Yeah. Under here, right here, I think.
Oh, okay. You got that one inside the door?
Oh, yeah. We're still working at it.
All right.
Ready, Mitch?
Yeah.
What you doing there, Mitch? If only we had a cat to get them. That's me. Go. Try that next one. Alright, where's our first friend?
Alright, ready? Yep. Down.
Down, good.
Yep.
Here it goes.
Yep.
Just like half an inch. Tell me when you're ready. Down. Okay, that's good. Slide it up.
Looky there.
I'm just saying there's two little things sticking out.
Sounds like a muffled prayer.
Okay, you think you can take it off? Put one hand here. You pick it up. All right. Don't drop it. Do you need help? Sure. Good job. Everything is stripped off the frame except for the fuel tank. We'll pull that off later. We got a couple little spots of rust we got to take care of. Then we're gonna do the wrap on this portion of the body and stuff can start going back on. Both subframes are off over here so we can clean them, put in the poly bushings, get the rust all taken care of. There's not really any bad rust anywhere, just a lot of surface rust.
A lot of dirt too.
A lot of dirt. The motor is down to the block. We're going to take it to the machine shop and see what they advise doing. The pistons have more skirt wear than I'm used to seeing. And there's a couple medium to deep scratches in the cylinder, so we'll need to see. I don't know if we need this thing overboard or if a hone will fix all of that. But I'm sure the shop will let us know what we need to do. And the crank definitely needs to be polished, as it's got a couple of very minor wear marks on it, but it's salvageable. But we definitely know why it was burning oil at the rate it was now. So we're done for today. We'll get back at it later this week. Start taking care of some of the rust on the body, and we'll spray it.